国的人口主要在东部和南部，西南呢 ，if you remember the map, they are 高山、高原，还有这个在新疆这个省江人这些的。对 ，so if you remember the map， 也是西安有沙漠，很多的高山、高原，那在那里的自然条件不好 ，that's a natural conditions not good because you know it's desert. Okay, 条件 ，so let's learn 条件 other than from the textbook here from a love story. Okay, 大林 ，so 大林你说什么呢？我的
条件很好，我会旅游，游泳，还会钢琴，专业是心理系或心理学，有高有。Right, you're saying I'm tall. 有的啦，有的 I'm tall and I'm also handsome. Okay, 又高又帅 so you're using what we have learned before. So 我的条件很好 I'm really good. My condition is, oh, look how good I am. I can swim, I play the piano, and 专业 that's your major. Okay, for there 是心理系 or 心理学，又高又帅。This one, we have 福记。
我的条件比你好，我会拉小提琴、弹钢琴，也会画画和画画。
Right, that's you. I'm better than you, being so I can 拉小提琴、弹钢琴，也会画画和滑冰。Right, that's what you are good at. Okay. Back to back. 好吧。
Yeah.
Remember? 厉害 for lesson 9. Yes, you're very good. 我不 This one is 反对，不反对是赞成，所以我赞成，不反对就是赞成。比方说，反对是这个 ，so you agree? Okay. You're awesome. So 我不反对 I agree.
How do you know when somebody means so? Wait, is 厉害 like the formidable / terrible one?
Terrible.
Oh wait, hang on. I gotta make sure I've got. I think I. Yeah. Can't they also mean terrible as well? How do you know when somebody?
For example, 吵架吵得很厉害 that one, right? So for example, 吵架吵得很厉害 So that one is like a adjective way to describe how terrible their fight is. So it's all about their fight here as a noun. It doesn't mean it's terrible. That means is they are fighting terribly about this situation. Okay. So how I give you a positive one. 弹钢琴，弹琴，弹得很厉害。So meaning you are really good at playing the piano. Okay. So how do we know it's positive? Like it's or negative? So here you see things here. 弹琴, oh, so it's very good. But here 吵架 is something negative. So that's when you're arguing terribly. But this one you are playing the piano awesomely, like fantastically. Knowing the average to describe the situation. Okay. 好吧，应该很厉害 You're good. Okay. I do not object. All right. So that one is 条件. So back to the 自然条件 like desert, 沙漠. So that's how we describe the natural situation conditions in 沙漠 or 高原. Okay. And back to 私立，我觉得。
我觉得中国的民情，
你会有点小。
Right.
地形. So have a look. Are you aware of the topography of the U.S.? I think so. You should be aware.
So 这是美国的地图 and you see the topography, the color. So most of the time the color in brown, 它们都是沙漠 right? That's also the color of 沙漠 And then here to the east side, 东部 okay, 东部 So do you remember we talked about 3 ways?
3种你可以描述的 you can describe the direction.
所以有东部，你还可以说什么呢？东方，and 东边也是 good. Okay, 东部。So here 东部，like here, like New York, Boston, Chicago. Look, 它们都离海不远，不远就是很近，right? Because the ocean's there. 地形很像
Right? Right. Then back to 福记，你说的
你说的要
有道理。
有道理还有中国和美国的
面积
面积也差不多，但是可能是美国的
I have the ping hints for you.
4倍多，听说有些或者
放假
放假的时候，中国的旅游
景点
景点
到处
到处都是人山人海
挤
是的。
Okay, so you have the right point. 你说的有道理。还有also 中国和美国的面积也差不多。面积是什么？ So let's have a look. That's how I conclude.
So 人口 you guys know 人口 right? The population. So have a look at the population. Oh, okay. 那面积呢 I think the number, the figure is probably too huge, so you cannot imagine. But you can probably compare it. It's quite similar, right? 面积 so it is the size.
Okay, 面积就是指的是多大。So that's why here it says 中国和美国的面积差不多。Okay, 但是人口呢 ？This one.
但是人口是中国的人口是美国的4倍。So here the population of the United States times 4 will be the population in China. 所以是中国人口多还是美国？是中国 because here you need to times 4 that will be equal to the population in China. Okay? 中国的人口是美国的4倍。
Okay, so this one,
that's how I Google everything. So every time 4 yeah, fish. 中国的人口是美国的4倍。But how would you say the other way around? 那美国的人口是中国的 1/4, right? Then we say 是1/4. That would be 1/4. Yes. As from the textbook is something big and it's the 4 times of the smaller one, but the other way around will be 美国的人口是中国的1/4. You have to put the smaller one first, which is 美国. Then here, this one, what is this? 州 密苏里州 Missouri, okay. So Missouri here you can see 6.18 million. How about this one? So St. Louis and this one? Kansas City. This one city. So that was Kansas City. So you see the difference there?
Let's go back to one thing that I kind of missed. It's about the one about 中国的人口主要在东部 and I would like to talk about that grammar is this. Okay, so if we go back to the 天名，你说的没错，中国的人口主要在东部。So the previous two 东部和南部，西南呢 ？We would like to learn 呢。高山高原多，西北呢？山有多少呢 ？Okay, so the first one usually, let's see. The story first. Okay. 大林和小丽。Okay, so this one, 大林。
我说看见我说
暑假
要去香港。
你呢 ？What about you? So 呢 ，it's a way to ask a person. 你呢？你今天吃什么好呢 ？What are we going to eat today? Okay. Then here, 子丽。
我也喜欢你去中国旅行。我忘记了吗？
Right. So I'm going to travel with you in China. You forgot? 你忘记了吗 ？Okay, 你忘记了吗 ？Then here, 陈真，大人说什么呢？对。
我
那个 stupidity 我是笨蛋，
是笨蛋。
Okay. Then he's asking 小季。
这就是
But this is 估计是哪小季？
小季。你有什么
plan 计划？Because we're talking about summer vacation. Okay. Then 你有什么计划吗？小季。
我在
Consider.
考虑
考虑。
去哪找
电灯。泡茶的泡。Okay. So what we are going to learn of the grammar n, other than that you have a question about what about you, Nina? But here will be, so I'm considering 我在考虑。So am I going to be your, okay, so here's a little bit closer thing. 电灯 is the light, the light, okay? 电灯泡 will be light bulb. So imagine they two as a boyfriend and girlfriend in this love story 的这个爱情故事里，他们是男女朋友。那如果小季去了，它就会是电灯泡 ，just like it's flashing. So what is that 电灯泡？ You go along with the couple, basically. Yes, that's right. So that's how we use in a Chinese way. We say 电灯泡, which is like the lights, So like you two, your boyfriend and girlfriend, and then you're there, you probably 不当电灯泡，还是 so here no, you're thinking either is A or something else, 还是去打工 Okay, so that's how we go back here. No, in between a pause, but also that is also suggesting another idea. 所以是是要当你的电灯泡，还是当你电灯泡呢？比如说 pause， 还是去打工 Okay. So here, for example, 嘉玲 so if you are a freshman, 如果你是大一或大二 that's probably what you're thinking.
穿什么方面好？我还没想
清楚。
水里呢没有意思。水温水呢看以后不好找工作。
Right. So you're thinking, what kind of major should I choose? 选什么专业好？I haven't figured out. 我还没想清楚。I haven't figured out. Am I going to learn like to be engaged in medicine? 学医呢？ Pause. Okay. That suggests you to have something in mind. Oh, it's not interesting. 没有意思。Okay. 你学文学呢？ How about to learn what is 文学？ Literature? Or to learn literature? Okay. So I'm afraid, in the future, it's not difficult, it's not good to look for jobs. 对文学 unless you want to be a professor or something like that. Okay. No.
Okay, so that's why if you go back to the text, 中国的人口主要在东部和南部，西南呢？Okay, you pause and to lead you to, 是高山高原多。What about 西北呢？ So you pause to tell you something that is contrasting, 高山高原。Okay, and now, so back to the last one about 人山人海。This one, okay. So, 福记 just read this one for us. 在中国的大城市里过节 ，for example, 中国有什么节呢？ Oh, the Children's Day, but we say 儿童节 Yes, 儿童 What else?
今年 anything else 还有吗？ That's year. But then that festival is in the middle of August. 秋 in autumn. 中秋节。
OK， 中秋节。所以这就是你要过节
过假期的时候，那怎么样呢？到处 everywhere 到处都是人山人海。
人山人海。
So if there is any Chinese speaker, they said, "Oh, it's people, mountain people, sea." Just forgive them because they are doing a little translation. Okay, but you will never understand unless you learn Chinese. So 人山人海的看很多人就像在 the simile 就像是山海很多，你看很多人。
挤 So we're going to learn what more about 挤。
很挤 very crowded 挤 But you might, here, it could be an adjective, but it can also work as a verb to push. So let's learn that one. Okay, 大龄人 sleeps here again. So this one 这是什么？ I thought that's my school bus. The yellow one, right? How would you say school bus? So it's from the school. 学校 So we pick 校 That's the car. 校车 Yes. 校车 Okay, that's it. 校车 Okay. The car from the 对校车哦，这个是校车。这个怎么了？很多人，人山人海，回答我，人山人海 very crowded. Okay. Then 小丽你说什么呢？这个是你们搭的校车，小丽跟大人说，好挤呀，好挤呀，根本，你根本不爱我，但我根本，not at all，根本是人山人海。Right, so people are as crowded as the mountain sea, they're everywhere. 根本是人山人海。大林。想办法。Let's figure out.
办法，我会抱着你的。
Right, okay. So let's figure out to squeeze into the school bus. 我们想办法挤进去吧。And what will 大人 do? 大人会做什么？我会hug you. 我会抱着你。You know, don't protect it. Then, we have another person coming up. Then, Chen Zhen can read that for us. 这个人 Right, so here, again, as in verb squeeze, so that person keeps pushing me, okay, 福记在挤小丽，okay, so that's why, you know, it's your conversation, 小丽说，哦，这个人一直挤我，OK，那大人说什么呢？
跟鸡回去。
挤回去，so you push it back. Okay, you know, it's very crowded, like mountain and sea, or figure out how to squeeze in, I will help you. Then you say, oh, this person keeps pushing me, so push it back. 挤 the 挤 could be the verb, 挤回去，挤我，挤进去 inside. But here, how very crowded, so that's why we have the adjective, and that could also be the verb. Okay, but
Back to the textbook is 挤得很，对，挤得很 is very crowded. But other than that, we also have the verbs. Okay, and why don't we play a game? Okay, so now I would like you to come up with any questions to ask each other. So now we're going, 2 people in a group, in a team, start out, you can find your partner. So the goal is to ask many questions, and the other teams, if they cannot answer the questions, they lose. So you have to come up with some questions for them. Something in front of them, or would you like to be my girlfriend, for example? Then the other person has to, oh, 好, or 我可以, but make sure you can try to think of them in Chinese. Ready? So find your partner. And you need to come up with questions. Okay. Okay, so the idea is when one group is asking a question, remember the goal is if you cannot answer the question, you lose. So when you are asking a question, then you will try to answer. If you get that, you ask a question until the one who can answer the question. Right, it's all about asking.
Okay.
It could be all you have learned before. It doesn't have to restrict you to this lesson. I will give you a couple minutes.
you have something in mind.
I don't know.
Let me provide you some questions. Would you like to give it a try? Let's give that a try.
你的家乡在什么地方？
我的家乡在洛杉矶。
Can you ask another question in return?
Let's see. 你喜欢火车或者船？
我喜欢
Okay, any questions for them? 最喜欢的船的名字。
我没有，最喜欢的船。
对，你有。是什么？
名字。
没有。
看见
Whatever the one I was on going into my freshman year of high school.
Wait, Titanic, you know the name of Titanic? 铁达尼号。铁达尼号。They look smart. Okay, can you come up with one more for them? Well, how about this one? Well, the one that we just practiced.
Oh.
here as well.
Oh, all right. 为什么中国的河流大多从东流呢？
因为新的人有很多沙流，所以河流从往东流，从西往东流，或从西向东流，向东流。对， Can you come up with one more? How about this? To go with that. I think that's somewhere around Xinjiang. What can we do in terms of hearing? That's nice. So can you reiterate the question? 为什么新疆的自然条件不好？
新疆有很多沙漠。
因为那边人，那边有很多人口吗？没有，可是真的是沙漠，当然没有很多人。真的。
All right. So just one more thing for Emily. The final speaking test, I have shared that.
Yes.
Then then lesson 7 oral test, because I lost in my notes, so I give everyone I think it's 20 out of 20. You all get full marks. And one more is next Monday.
Okay.
Is it possible to change the time, just that class and the last, only that one, to either, how about 3:30 to 4:20? Are you free at that time?
On what day?
Next Monday.
Next Wednesday? Yeah, I should be.
Okay, so let's just.
Just right after the other class, okay.
Right, so let's just change that one only.
Okay.
Okay, so next Monday will be 3 p.m. This class is this, should go, yeah, so in the same classroom, but then we move 1 hour earlier.
Okay.
3:30到4:20. So, okay, only next Monday. Okay, cool. 我们下周
during finals week?
Sorry?
Are we doing that all during finals week?
We have the written test. Okay, this one.
The written one is on Friday.
Right.
Yeah, but
But I know Johnny, you probably need to change the time, only about that.
Yep.
谢谢老师，谢谢，不客气。When do you think?
I'm going home Wednesday night, so yeah. Any time until like Wednesday night. I should. Other than Monday, I have one other test.
So I don't choose or Wednesday.
I could do it on a Monday as well. The test I have Monday, I have all day.
I will just send the link,
Okay.
like everything to you, then try to finish that in that period of time. So let's make it time, then I can discuss it to the end of that time. So let's say,
Yeah.
so let's say what time?
Let's see. I mean, Tuesday for the most part, I should hold it out, so whatever time works.
How about let's say,
It's 12. Sorry, that one.
11.
Okay.
So Wednesday, 11, 5 月7号, and I will send you the link for the audio.
Okay.
and you have to finish that. Basically like an hour and a half.
Okay.
Okay, so no, but I will write this week. Because it is 1:30 to 3:00, so,
That's an hour and 50.
oh, okay,
So.
so, yeah, I'll put it time. In the email.
Okay.
Great.
All right.
See you Monday.
Yep.
3:30.
Thank you.
Cool.
不会。